Now think about this. If you're running a DTC brand, you don't just need one video. You need everything. TVC ads, scroll-stopping social content, UGC, creatives for paid ads, and even product visuals for your listings. And normally, that means high costs, long timelines, and a full production team. But what if I told you this entire video was created without a camera, without actors, and without any real shooting at all? No studios, no crew, no editing headaches. And this is where it gets crazy. So let's dive in. Meet RoboNeo, your social media creative partner. Not just a tool, but a smart creative assistant that helps you build full campaign content for modern brands. We're talking about high-impact TVC commercials, scroll-stopping posters for listings, and social UGC-style ad creatives for paid traffic and full storytelling campaigns, all generated in one place. And the real power behind all of this is Seedance 2.0. With Seedance 2.0, you're not just generating videos, you're building content with real creative direction, cinematic camera movement that feels intentional, strong consistency across every shot and scene, multi-reference generation, so your product stays accurate across formats. And because of that, your content feels more real, more emotional, and more aligned with how actual ads are produced today. So instead of just creating videos, you're creating a full set of brand assets ready for real-world marketing. Now let's build a complete commercial piece step by step. We're starting from a single product idea and turning it into a full DTC-style content package. That means a TVC-style ad, poster visuals for listings, and UGC-style content for ads. For this example, imagine a modern smartwatch ad with a futuristic style. We will also use a product image as the starting point, then expand it into poster-style visuals, short ads, and social media versions. If you are doing a TVC project, always confirm product selection first and prepare multiple formats, like 16:9, 9:16, and 1:1 for full campaign coverage. First, we define the concept. For example, a futuristic smartwatch launch ad with cinematic lighting, smooth motion, and premium brand feel. Now we input the prompt into RoboNeo and upload a reference image of the product. We can also add reference videos for style consistency. Example prompt idea: a cinematic product advertisement showing a futuristic smartwatch in a dark premium studio environment, slow camera orbit, glowing highlights, high-end commercial lighting, smooth transitions, and emotional brand storytelling. Now we generate the base idea. Now comes the most important part of the workflow. RoboNeo gives you 3 different creation modes, depending on whether you want speed, smarter assistance, or full control. Skill mode is for speed and simplicity. You choose a pre-built creative skill and generate instantly. No need to build complex prompts from scratch. This is perfect for fast social media content, quick ads, and daily creative output. It gives you ready-to-use results in seconds. Agent mode is your AI creative partner. Here, RoboNeo helps you think. It improves your prompt, suggests better scenes, refines storytelling, and guides structure. It feels like working with a creative director who understands your idea. This is perfect when you want smarter creative decisions without doing everything manually. Workflow mode gives you full control. Here, you build your video, step-by-step, scene-by-scene control, camera direction control, reference-based generation, and precise editing structure. This is ideal for high-quality commercial projects and TVC-level production. You can upload multiple reference images or videos to maintain consistency across shots. This is where Seedance 2.0 really stands out because it allows multi-reference learning and cinematic multi-shot storytelling with consistent output. Now, we generate the video. We test different scenes, adjust camera movement, refine lighting style, and improve motion quality. You can see how easily the system adapts. From a single idea, we are building a full cinematic sequence. No filming, no actors, no expensive setup, just AI-driven production. And this is where Seedance 2.0 really stands out. It's not just generating clips, it's creating cinematic structure, maintaining consistency across shots, and learning from multiple references to keep everything aligned. That's what makes the final output feel like a real production. What makes this powerful is the speed and simplicity. You go from idea to full commercial in minutes. It feels like a real production pipeline, but without the complexity, you can create scroll-stopping content designed for social media platforms, and most importantly, you can produce multiple formats from the same idea. Post a short, add UGC-style video, and full TVC version. This is what modern content creation looks like. Fast, flexible, and high quality, and more importantly, it's built for performance. Content that's scroll-stopping, social-ready, and designed to convert. Now, let's see what it created. Play full video. And this is where it gets crazy. This doesn't feel like AI content anymore. It feels like a real high-budget brand campaign. The visuals are cinematic. The storytelling actually pulls you in. The product looks consistent and premium across every shot. And all of this came from just one image. No crew, no studio, no production delays. Just AI turning an idea into a full campaign. If you're a content creator, marketer, or running a DTC brand, this completely changes the game. You're not just creating videos anymore. You're building full campaigns that are social media ready, story-driven, and conversion-focused. Go to the RoboNeo website, sign up, and start creating your first AI-powered campaign today. Try skill mode for speed, agent mode for smarter creation, and workflow mode for full control. Check the link and full workflow in the description and start creating your own high-performing content with RoboNeo.